are not going to like it, but someone has to say it. A lot of women are not insecure. They're inconsiderate and mean. They're not traumatized. They're inconsiderate and mean and selfish. A lot of times that women act a certain way, it's not because, oh, I've been through this, or someone put me through this, or I've experienced that. A lot of times it's simply because they're inconsiderate and selfish and mean and self-centered and self-serving, and it translates into insecurity because that's probably the easiest way to play it off. It translates into trauma because that's probably the easiest way to play it off. But that's not what it is. Some of you are just mean and nasty and rude and selfish.